So we are going to start trimming the square cakes now. So you are just going to be watching how I'm going to be doing it. So you are going to be taking it side by side, like it's four sides. So you are going to be taking it side by side for beginners. So if you are not a beginner, you are just going to be using your measuring tape to take the measurements. Let's say you want to use 1 inch to trim each side. So you are just going to use that 1 inch to trim the four side each. But if you are a beginner, you can just start trimming it like this first before you use your measuring tape to measure it out. So as you are trimming it, you are looking at the four sides to see if they are equal. So square cakes can be kind of difficult sometimes if you are a beginner, but with time it will be very easy for you. So the next thing is to take your measurement. So you are going to measure the four sides to see if they are equal. Then all the four layers, you are going to measure each layer one at a time. Like first layer, you measure the sides to see if they are equal. Then you go to the second layer, you measure to see if they are equal. So if they are not equal, you are going to trim out of the other one that is not equal with the first one. So that's how you are going to get the four layers, the shapes of the four layers. So you can see what I'm doing. So I measure this first layer, so I saw the measurement, so I'm just going to cut it out. Then before I go to the other layer, you see what I'm doing now. So that is it for how to trim square cakes. You are just going to continue doing this till you are able to get all the shapes out.
Abel, come, we don't have fun.